look at that place. Again, those one of those half timbered houses they're called. And I'm gonna back right out here. You see these a lot in Stratford-upon-Avon in England. Pretty cool little donor restaurant on the bottom. And interestingly, notice how it juts out. Every floor it juts out and it juts out again. This was apparently done this way to keep out thieves. So thieves couldn't climb up the outside and come in through your window, because you had to keep coming back on yourself. It would be very difficult, in other words, to come up. You could easily fall trying to get into someone's window. Wow, what an amazing street. Look at this, look how old these places are. My God, this is half timbered house after half timbered house here. Man, look at that. Incredible. Okay, I'm gonna go down here. There's a place called Texas. So I wanna find out what that is. Oh, look at the streets. Again, so classy. So much culture. Oh, it's a barber shop. Look at this thing. Texas. Okay. Lots of little places to eat, which would make sense for it being a college town. Well, look at this place. Now, you can tell this is old. Look at the wood. Wow. I've zoomed out as far as I can. Let me see if I can get it from over here. Wow, look at that. It's too bad it's all closed up. Hope it's not like gone bankrupt or something. I'm gonna try to back up a little bit, try to get the whole house into one picture. There we go. Man, it's being propped up, so it's... I hope they fix it up and keep it in good shape. Well, look at that. Is that when it was built? 1600? Man, I hope they fix this up, because it would really suck. I'm not sure what this means, but looks like some guy lived here, or was born here, September 1st, 1727. Wow, it'd be definitely a shame if this thing were to fall apart more than it is. Okay, well, let's hope it gets repaired really soon. It looks like it's been in this shape for a long time. I mean, what a shame. Well, look at that view from this side. Wow. Wonderful place.